Hi, I'm Elena. I'm cooking with Sharp today. We're going to be toasting these beautiful almonds with some ginger and turmeric in the microwave. The smart inverter in the microwave allows us to toast these really evenly. So almonds go in, we've got some coconut oil, so we're just going to pour that over. We've got some beautiful ground ginger, and then some superfood turmeric powder all in there as well. Add a little bit of salt. Then we're just going to mix it all up. So it just looks like that, and then we're going to put it in the microwave. So we're going to stir them, just loosen them up a little bit, and then back in for another minute. Another minute's passed, let's give them a stir. They're really starting to take on the colour and flavour and a beautiful aroma. But I think we'll put it in for one more minute, and it's as simple as pressing the start button twice. So you can hear them sizzling and cracking and popping. They've got some beautiful colour on them now. So I've allowed these almonds to cool for about 20 minutes. So they've dehydrated a little bit, they've crisped up, delicious.